Here's a pretty neat little fossil that I found last night. One of the reasons I enjoy going and looking for fossils is because I never know what I will find. And so this is what I found yesterday evening. This is, this entire part of Texas where I live was underwater 250 million years ago. This is one of several species of ammonites that lived here in the shallow sea during the Cretaceous period, that's when there was a cataclysmic extinction event that occurred about 66 million years ago that killed off all the ammonites. They swam in the water. They had tentacles that came out of this end. They kind of looked like a squid, and they would just shoot along in the water. But they started coming onto the scene about 400 million years ago, and then they went completely extinct 66 million years ago. And at some point the Earth's crust got heaved up in this area of Texas, and the sea washed away. All the water went away because the land rose up. And so it left all these little critters, in the mud. That's what this was, mud. Tens of millions of years ago, before it became essentially concrete, which is now rock. But this fossil, it's pretty neat. It's a spiraling shape. It's got these little ridges all over it. This little black mark here was an original color. It goes along that ridge. It fades away right here. Then it comes back a little bit right there. And it spiraled. A lot of times this part is filled with rock, old mud that turned to rock. It's hard to find them this complete. But this one's really small. It's only like 2.5 inches wide. They can get up to 3 feet wide or wider. So this is a little baby ammonite. It's just fun to walk along the places where the Earth's crust is exposed to the rock layers. Kind of show where this was, what point in time this ammonite lived. So I just cleaned this one up. I found it last night and I put a clear coating on it to kind of protect it from the elements, bring out some of the color and detail. But there it is. Yeah, that's one of the many, many fossils that I have found. Found this one last night. Just wanted to show it to you guys. Alright, well, this concludes the video. Bye-bye.